Hey, hi, hello, my name is Alexis, and today we're going to play Makeup Roulette. I didn't know that this was a thing, so I'm very late to this train, but I'm going to do it anyways. So I have made, you can't see that, I've made multiple little roulette wheels to pick my makeup for me today. So let's see what happens, because there's some stuff that I put in these roulette wheels that I haven't even used yet, so who knows what will happen. So first I'm going to start with primer, if I can click the thing. Primers. I haven't even tried to spin this yet. Whee! Spinning. You still can't see that. Cover Effects Blur Primer. Okay, next we will go on to foundations. Alright, foundation. Ooh, I didn't spin it very well. There we go. Going. Oh. My phone's telling me my battery's low. Sephora Collection Stick. So I have the, I don't even know what this is called. What is this called again? Where is it? Oh. Make no mistake. Foundation and Concealer Stick. Okay. Concealer. Bobbi Brown. So I have a new one from Bobbi Brown that I haven't even tried yet, and I don't know if it's a good color for me. So this is the Instant Full Cover Concealer. So we'll see what happens. Next we're going to do brows. Spin it. Spin. Benefit Cabrow. Where is it? Here. Okay. I didn't do powder because I only have like one powder. Or eyeshadow primer. So for eyeshadows, I just put brands. Because if I were to put like every eyeshadow palette that I have, then they would not fit on the roulette wheel. So let's just do a brand, and then I'll pick a palette from there. Is it gonna stop? Yep, Anastasia. Alright, so we'll pick an Anastasia palette. Next we'll do blush. Ooh, I'm not good at spinning this. There we go. There it goes. Is it gonna stop? Yep, MAC. So that is Warm Soul. OG Warm Soul. Alrighty, highlight. There we go. It's spinning. Is it gonna stop? Where it stops, nobody knows. Cover Effects. So the highlighter I have for Cover Effects, I put this is what I did in my brain. This is the Shimmer Veil in Amethyst. This will be interesting, okay. And then lips, again, I just did like brands, and then I'll kind of like pick a lip from there. Spin it. Is it gonna stop? Bite! Alright, I got a couple lips from Bite. Alrighty. So, a lip from Bite and an Anastasia palette with a purple highlight, basically. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get all of this together and I will be back. Okay, let's get started. Starting with the blurring primer from, I gotta shake this, from Cover Effects. I've used this, I feel like, one other time, and that's it. Just putting this on everywhere. My skin's not looking too good at the moment, so I'm gonna try and like pile this on a little bit. Because the coverage of this is like, it's not really full. It's more medium. So maybe if I pile it on a little, get some more coverage out of it. Yeah, that looks good already. That blur primer, my skin looks great. And I know it's the primer and not the foundation because it's like, it's the pores that look great. Okay, concealer. I feel like this might be a little too dark for me. Alright, we'll see. This is the shade Natural, which that's what I would wear in the foundations. Oh, no. dark. Yep. Yep, too dark. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Blend it. Blend it. It's kind of orangey. It's more of like a color corrector. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look like as orange like this in real life as it does on camera, so I think I can get away with it. But it also like didn't cover my dark circles, like right in here. Alright, well now we know. So I'm gonna powder. I'm gonna fill in my brows. Try and do it real quick. Sometimes I just take a really long time with my brows, which I don't know why, because it's not like I'm doing a lot to them. Alright, so I'm going to do this. Prime my eyes with my Pro Prime. I decided to do Modern Renaissance, because it was kind of hard to match something with the highlighter. So I think I'm going to stick to like this side of the palette. I think. I don't know. So I'm going to start with Buon Fresco as my transition color. Maybe I'll just do like a smoky eye. Sure, why not? So, I'm just going to pop this in and above my crease. Yeah, I'm just going to do like an easy smoky eye. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Antique Bronze here and put that all over my lid. Just push this all over the lid, up into the crease a little bit. Just blend the edges. I'm also going to take that same Antique Bronze shade and put it all the way across the lower lash line. All the way down here. Make sure you connect it to the top. And give it a bit of a blend. And then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to take Vermeer. Brow bone. Corner. So here's the eyeshadow done. Smoky, easy, simple. Kind of the trend I'm going on today, or lately I mean. So the next step I'm going to do off camera real quick. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline. Oh, I dropped my mascara. Curl my lashes, apply mascara, and I'll be right back. So here are the eyes done. I've considered putting lashes on, but I don't really know yet, so we'll just finish off the face first. Contouring with my Kevyn Aucoin powder. Nothing new here. There was a couple things I'm sure you noticed in the roulette that I didn't do, like contour, bronzer, like powder, eyeshadow primer, just because I don't have like lots of options or any other options. So we skipped over those. Bronzing with my Chocolate Soleil, because this is like pretty much the only bronzer I own, so can't do a roulette with all of my Chocolate Soleils. Blush, Warm Soul, great blush for this look. I said that sarcastically, but I didn't mean it sarcastically. It really is a good blush for this look. A little bit of color, not too much. Okay, I'm gonna try and blend this out with a little brush. Do I? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna like paint some of it on the brush. Okay. Because I don't want like too intense of a color. That didn't really work the way I wanted it to. Alright, good enough for me. Alright, and then for lip, I pulled out, this is one of the Bobbi Matte Cream Lip Crayons. This one's in the shade Glace, I think that's how you should say it. I don't know nothing. I really like this. I really like this look. Let me put my hair down. Oh yeah, I really like this look. My hair's kind of fluffy because it's been in the ponytail for a while, but I really like this. This is really nice. I might do this again because I don't think I would have paired all of these things together myself. So let me know if you want to do one of these again. I really like this. But yeah, that was Makeup Roulette. Thank you for joining me on this. I really like how this turned out. I really like how this turned out. Yeah, let me know if you want to see one of these again. I'll save the roulette on my phone so we can do this again if you want. I really like this. I love how this turned out. This is so pretty. Everything worked together so perfectly. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!